Well. Looks like the AC right here now has not been running. Oh, come on. The blades are blocking the whole view. What would this look like? Ugh. Very disgusting for sure. Can't keep the stuff correct. Ugh, my lenses are disgustingly dirty. Camera. Move back to improve focus. Get off me, fly. Can't tell what compressor is that, but it looks to be a 2-stage, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a 2-stage. I don't know what compressor this is. It's currently not been running, but curious. And this data sheet's all gone. You can try reading it. It's gonna be really hard to read though. All I can tell you it's a 2006, and it's from it's a 2-ton. Alrighty, I got running in heat mode right now. Whoopie, that's hot. Well, anyways, got running on heat mode. That's really hot. On the touch, it's real hot. I don't want to touch it. Oh, nice and cold there. Bonus footage. Why don't you lift the brick off the station? If you lift it off. Hear this. If you do that, you hear that. Way too annoying. That's why I have a brick on here.